Welcome to Monday. I wanted to touch base with everyone real quickly about a couple of questions I am receiving via email and thought I would just answer them for everyone all at once. Module 2 is open, and I apologize for the technical difficulty. Yes, it was locked, but it is open now. And to navigate to Module 2, you can either go from the home page. I have a new video there for us to enjoy. But if you go from the home page, you would just select Module 2. That will navigate you straight to Module 2, starting with the objectives, the readings, the videos for this week, and all the assignments that are due this week. A couple of question ed plan when we make our persistence interviews for the next 2 weeks or over the next course of 10 days. I will help everyone out that has not created their ed plan. You can finish the second part without your ed plan. There's a section that you're going to reflect on as to how you're going to align your ed plan to your career goals. The other question I am getting is about not having the textbook at this point. As I talked about in our Welcome to the Course, under Resources, there is the emergency module for emergency textbook use. It's chapters 1 through 4 and the study skills section. This is the textbook that is required for the course, but I do have this emergency there for you if you need to use that over the course of the next few weeks. So that should be able to help you out there. Module 0, if you don't remember something, just come on back in here. The course structure tells you that how to navigate the course. There's a little graphic here that tells you the first few days, read the content, watch the videos, get yourself acclimated. The first couple of days. Your reflection of your initial discussion posted is always due on the 4th day, which is Wednesday, and your final 2 classmates is due on Saturday, along with pretty much everything else. The one thing you do need to remember is that your learning study skills does require 7 days of applying that study skill, so you want to make sure that you allow yourself time to do that. Any other questions, be sure to continue to email me. I will answer those, and set up your own Zoom conference with me for the Persistence Project. I have meetings set up, and hopefully I scheduled those correctly, but you can schedule those starting tomorrow. Look forward to talking with everyone, and again, stay safe, and I will see you throughout the week.